this is me, Diana, and today I'm super excited. Finally, I got Shopkins and some blind bags. So first, I'm going to video this blind bag before the Shopkins. So I have new blind bags in here. I got this cuckoo kennel and some eggs. There's a serious. This one is a serious 2 cuckoo kennel, and this one is a series 2 cuckoo birds and series 1 cuckoo birds. Okay, so let's get started. Onto my first blind bag. We got an egg. We got a green egg and white. We got a birdie. This one is a cuckoo bird field guide series 2. Oops. And this one is a very cute birdie. It's a blue with some yellow and blue stripes. Okay, and now let's see the checklist. So this bird is not here. Maybe they forgot. Maybe this one is a series 1. Series 2. Okay, so onto my second blind bag. Got an egg again! Yay! We got the series 1 cuckoo kennel. Love my pup. Oops. This one is a breed guide. See a list. We got this scruffy North Highland Perry Terrier. Yeah, it's so adorable. It's real cute. So we got it. Onto my third blind bag. Yay! We got these cuckoo birds. Let's open it. This one is a field guide series 1 and 2. This one is so cute. So this one is not here too. Maybe this one. Yeah, this one. Yay! They were very adorable. Onto my fourth and last blind bag. Yes! We got cuckoo kennel. This that we got, and it no a golden bone. There's no golden bone. So yeah. It's so pretty, it's so cute. Hope we get this shepherd. We got this Fury Pod shaggy face sheepy dog. So here are all the figures I got. My favorite was the birdie. Oh, my favorite was all of them. Well guys, that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. And I see you in my next video guys. Bye!